Good morning, class.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam. Good morning. Okay, today we will recap our previous lesson about property insurance. I hope you all still remember what we have learned about property insurance. Alright, let's start with Hafiz. Hafiz, can you give me the definition of property insurance?
Sure, madam. Property insurance is a kind of insurance that covers a broad spectrum of policies that either provide property protection coverage or cover property owners with liability coverage. Property insurance compensates the owner or renter of a structure and its contents in the event of damage or theft.
Good, Hafiz, you can sit down. We move to Ain Najiha. Ain, can you give me the effects if someone not taking property insurance?
The effect that someone will face when not take property insurance is their heirs will receive the effects. For example, if their heirs unable to continue the house payment, their house will be auctioned off and they had to move to another place to stay. Next, if someone involves in the accident and their car damage, they had to pay all the losses. If they take property insurance, the insurer car cover the losses for them, which is they no need to pay all the losses of the accident.
Okay guys, who can tell me what the benefits of property insurance?
Me, madam.
Okay, go on.
There are many benefits of property insurance. Firstly, the main function of property insurance is to offer protection for our house and its contents. The protection for our property covers against all kinds of risk of damages caused by fire, natural disaster, or other factors. It also covers the risk of loss due to theft or other criminal acts, as well as other kinds of risk of disturbances. Secondly, it compensates damage or loss of building or property. Property insurance gives compensation for any damage or loss of our property. The term for compensation is that the loss is not caused by our own negligence.
Thankfully you still remember. Next, the types of property insurance. There are 4 types of property insurances, which are homeowners insurance, commercial property insurance, flood insurance and natural disaster insurance. Anyone want to volunteer to explain the first 2 types of insurances? I want to volunteer, madam. First type of insurance is homeowners insurance. Homeowners is a sort of property insurance that protects a person's home, as well as their furniture and other valuables. Liability coverage is included in homeowners insurance for accidents that occur in the home or on the property. Then, the second type of property insurance is commercial property insurance. Commercial property insurance can cover any type of commercial property. Also, commercial property insurance protects your business from hazards like fire, theft, and natural disasters. A wide range of industries, including manufacturers, shops, service-oriented firms, and non-profit organizations, carry commercial property insurance. It is frequently combined with other types of insurance, such as commercial general liability insurance. Thank you for the very good answer, Enes. Next, I want Katia to explain the other 2 types of property insurances. Are you still remember, Katia?
Sure, madam. The other 2 types of property insurances are flood insurance and natural disaster insurance. Flood insurance function to protect a residence against losses caused by severe or prolonged rain, melting snow, coastal storm surges, congested storm drainage systems, or levee dam failure. Floods are considered a catastrophic event in many countries, and the damage or devastation they produce is not covered unless you have extra insurance. On the other hand, natural disaster insurance may be covered if you have property insurance. It's a good idea to double-check with your insurance company to verify what your policy covers. hail, hurricanes, tornadoes, earthquakes, and a variety of other sorts of inclement weather can do significant damage to your home. So, it's critical that you be prepared for anything that nature may have in store. Purchasing property insurance is a surefire way to safeguard your finances against disaster. So, those are the other 2 types of property insurances, madam.
Nice, Katya. A very good explanation. Thank you, Katya. Lastly, I want Uni to answer my question because last class, you fell asleep while explained about this. Just kidding. Uni, please state the characteristics of property insurance. I am sorry for that incident, madam, but I have studied this already at home. Alright, good for you, we will see. Okay, here. I will state 3 of characteristics of property insurance. Firstly, is the value of premium charged is dependent on the degree of risk. Higher premium will be paid for risks of high degree, and vice versa. Secondly, it is a contract of indemnity. The owner of the insured property is compensated for the loss of the property upon occurrence of the risk. And the third one, is it a short-term contract? The insurance contract ends after a specific period of time, usually 1 year, and must be renewed for the policy to continue. Well done. That's correct, Uni.
Good job, guys.
Okay, now, I want one of you guys, give me another 2 characteristics of property insurance.
Can I try, madam?
Of course you can. Okay, go on, Hafiz.
Okay, another 2 characteristic is the owner of the property insured is the only one to be compensated. It cannot be assigned to a next of kin or another individual. Last one is it has no surrender value. Should the insured stop payment of premium before expiry of the contract, he or she is not entitled to any refund from the insurer.
Good job, Hafiz. Okay, class, give some applause for yourself. Alright then, we will continue our class sessions next week for the new chapter. So, that's all for today, class. See you next week. Thank you, Madam Enel.